What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Grinch who stole Christmas. Let's begin today's lesson in a separate page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now let's start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top, go all the way around the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. I'm going to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So line up the top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up. Now I'm going to push the pupils towards the inside. So on the left side, I'm going to draw a smaller circle, going all the way around, and then back in, and then we'll line that up on the right side. Now from the inside of the eye, we're going to curve the brow, coming down and in towards the center, bend that back out and then up. Now in the middle, we're going to bend this around the right side and then up towards the top. Now I want to add some thickness to the eyebrows. Let's start on top of the eye on the left. We're going to bend this around and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Now I want to add a point. We're going to go up and then in, and it's up and then out. From the top, we're just going to bend the eyebrow, coming all the way around and then down towards the inside. And we'll fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Let's move to the center in between the eyes and draw on the nose. We're going to start with the left side. We're going to go up and then back down with a half circle. Now I want to draw three curves across the bottom. So we'll start with the sides, bending this back up. Add one more bump across the middle. Let's go to the center of the nose. We're going to bend this out towards the right and then back in towards the center, towards the bottom of the mouth. Now let's draw the edge of the mouth. Starting with the left side, we're going to go up, bend this out, and then go up the side of the eye. Let's do the same thing on the right. We're going to go up, out, and then back up. And then on the ends of the mouth, we're going to draw a small bracket. Let's add those furry cheeks. From the outside of the left eye, we're going to step out, go around the corner of the mouth, and then down. And then we're going to add a point. Bend this back up with a short line. Curve this around the cheeks, and then down. Let's add one more point by bending this back up. Now I want to round out the bottom of the head. Starting back on the left, come around, come in just underneath the mouth, go across and then bend that back up. Let's go back to the top of the cheeks. We're going to bend the head, going up and then in. And I want to add the edge of that fuzzy hat. Let's start back on the left. We're going to draw a series of curves coming down and up. And just work our way across the forehead. A little bit bigger in the middle. Add a couple more. Let's wrap that fuzzy trim around the side of the head. So we're going to start back on the left, curve this out and then in. Do another curve. It's going to work our way across the top, just adding these curves, going all the way across towards the right. I want to bend this back in towards the right side of the head. Let's draw the top of the hat. We're going to start over on the left, bend this up, and then across. Round this out, come down, and then out. Let's add that fold. Coming across and in, bend that up. Now I want to go all the way over towards the right side of the hat brim, bend this in and then up underneath. Let's draw the fuzzy tip of the hat. We're going to start on here, going all the way around and then down, bend this up and then in. Let's add another point. We're going to come down and out, come all the way around and then back up towards the tip of the hat. Now with the head complete, let's draw the fuzzy collar. We're going to start on the left side, bend this around and in. Just going to work our way across the middle and up towards the right side, and then just tuck this up underneath the head. Let's leave a small gap on either side. We start on the left, we're going to bend the body, going out and then down towards the hip, go to the right, and do the same thing. Now we're going to add that trim across the bottom. Starting on the left side, we're going to add these curves going up and then down, going all the way across towards the right. Now from the side, we're going to add that furry edge going all the way around the hips, and then add that fur going across the bottom. Now in the center of the body, we're going to step down, draw a short curve, going up and then down to separate the legs, and then in the middle, draw a straight line coming down towards the heels. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. We're going to start with the left side, going down and then up. And then we want to add a fold across the toes. We're just going to round this out, come in and then down. Let's create a fold. We're going to step back, going up and then down, aiming towards the heel. And we'll curl it back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's add that fur cuff across the bottom of the legs. We're going to start with the left side, adding these curves going up and around. And just bend that back in on top of the foot. And then we're going to go up to the hips, bend the leg, coming down and then in. Now let's move back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start from the side of the body. We're going to bend this out and then down towards the cuff. And I want to add that fur across the top. So we're going to add two small curves, going up and then down, going out towards the edge of the arm. And then from the outside, we're going to bend the arm coming up and then in underneath the collar. Let's add that thick fur around the cuffs. From the ends, we're going to curve this around and then in. Add two curves across the bottom. Now let's tuck the hands in underneath the cuff. Starting from the inside, we draw a small half circle coming in and then out for the thumb. Close off the end with a small bracket. Now I want to add 3 small fingers across the bottom. Let's start from the thumb, come down and then up around that bracket. Go to the side, add the second finger going around. Then we'll close off the edge of the hand with the third finger coming in underneath the cuff. And we'll do the same thing on the right. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw the Grinch Who Stole Christmas. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe to this channel for more daily videos where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this one. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.